The Trump impeachment bets actually really jumping over the last couple days. How do you look at it from someone who's putting money to work?
Well, this makes TV fun because we'll take the completely other side of everything that your previous guest said. Complete other side. So I think Trump will likely be impeached by the House. The Democrats have been looking for impeachment since they won back the House. So, you need a simple majority in the House. There's zero chance, in my view, very close, very, very close to zero chance that the president gets convicted with the information that we have now, which we're not going to get additional information in the Senate. So that's not going to happen. I would say that the market is not going to care very much. We saw what happened with Bill Clinton a couple of decades ago, impeached by the House, which by definition he goes down in history as impeached, but not convicted by the Senate. Same thing's going to happen here. What I care much more about, and I'll add one other point I differ with. I think that trade war tensions will ease over the course of 2020. Trump has big incentives to get a victory there. Of course, the Chinese also know that he's a little bit weaker now on that front, but I think that he's going to get something done, at least in a framework terms there. What is a much bigger risk to me, Alix, much bigger, is that you see Elizabeth Warren jumping in the polls here. I mean, let's face it, 49% of the S&P 500 is based on tech, healthcare, and financials. And this lady, who's now above Biden in national polls, has talked about breaking up tech banks, breaking up the banks, and reverting corporate tax reform on top of eliminating the private option in favor of a public option. This is going to cause a big collapse in the markets if and when we get confirmation that Elizabeth Warren is going to win the primary.